Oh my goodness, I'm like really late to the game. It's bad enough that this has been out for a long time, and then I bought it for $19 on Essential website when it first dropped to $19. Currently it's $49 at the recording of this video, but it's just been sitting in the plastic on the box, and I guess I'll go ahead and crack the seal and give you guys a 360 view. Let's get into it. Alright, so disclaimer, 360 cameras aren't new. In fact, I still have brand new 360 cameras that I just don't use. It's not something that is hidden anymore, but Essential made it easier. Now that type of design right there is a standalone where you can sit it up somewhere and, you know, get a recording going. But Essentially did it a better way. And what they did is they have these magnetic clips on the back where you can actually just pop the phone onto it. So I'm going to go ahead and finally crack this seal here. I should have did this a long time ago, but got the pull tab just like the phone. You got the little pull tab, and here we go. Pretty simple and to the point. It's just a 360 camera that pops on. I'm pretty sure when I like how they got this super protected. Pretty sure when I pop this on, it's gonna prompt for some kind of software or something. Oh, you do get a little bag down here. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Okay, you get some instructions and things like this. Let's see what this is. Oh, just a little brochure. If I were companies, I wouldn't put any of this stuff in here, because people don't really read it. You know, cool little bag. I probably won't use all this. Get the other kind that Essential offers. So this just kind of goes back together. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I'm sure when I pop this onto the camera, it's going to prompt me. Okay. They got it nice and protected. I'm sure it's going to prompt me to install some kind of application or something. So let's just see what happens. And it definitely goes on easy. So no prompt yet or nothing. Nothing going. It's got power though. I like that it's there we go. I was wondering when that was going to come up. So there's an update available, and let me see if I can get a screenshot for social media. Yes, I can get one. Yay! All right, so let's update it and dismiss connection problems. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, maybe it wants me to be on Wi-Fi. Let's see. Yeah, it wanted me to be on Wi-Fi. Yeah, so there you go. It's updating there. You can see the progress there. This is probably the best rendition of having a 360 camera for a device, man, because it's powered by the device and it probably doesn't pull that much battery. This is a strong magnetic connection. Boy, you have no idea. For those that have the 360 camera, this is a strong magnetic connection and it is not going to fall off for sure. So it's doing the update. Shout out to all these comments on here. Still getting some madness from LG Stylo 4 owners, but they'll get over it. So the update is happening here. Please do not remove. It's updating the camera. And I think this is while that's updating, man, this is a good look, man. I already have the case that you put on here if you wanted to. Let me see if I can get to it here. Okay, so it's like we're already starting up. So it's starting up, and boom, here we go. We're in 360, so we can take 360 photos. As you can see, it's picking up. Like if I just sit it right here, it's got all of that. Yeah, this is nice. So it's got everything around here, man. So this is nice. So we're gonna go outside and let me see if it's a light. Oh, that's the front. Hey, so I can flip it to the front, get my 360 on. Boom, boom, boom. So that's how you do it. Switch to the front. Let's see, there's another one up here for a couple of seconds, 10 seconds, like that. So let's take this outside, man, and let's just do some 360 video, because that is exactly what you came to see. Hopefully I can put it all in this one video. I don't know if I can, but we're gonna try. If not, I'll have a link in the description for the other portion of the video. All right, let's get it. So with confidence, I tell you, this is actually pretty sweet. And it's a much better, now this is old right here, so I'll give credit to Essential for doing it the right way. But this is nice, man. This is nice. I put the case on, obviously, as you can see. This is the case that you can get for this phone. I've already reviewed it before, but I didn't have the phone, this camera at the time, I mean. So anytime you take it on and snap it off, it's going to start the camera. But I would say this is probably, this phone is definitely, it makes me not want to use other phones, but I have to. I got to keep the train moving, man. But this is hotness right here, man. Anyway, it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video.